Associates gravitate to her, not only because of her personality, being bubbly, her smile, but if there's any concerns, any issues, they'll go to her and they'll seek advice and training.
I love walking. We never had a car, so we always walked. It refreshes your mind. I see lots of nature, rabbits, coyotes, birds. I always say good morning to them, good evening to them, good night to them. That's nature to me, and I love it.
Jennifer was a part-time cashier when I started at the store. You could see she had a spark in her, and we just needed to bring that spark out. Jennifer growing up through the years and with the support of leaders, the support of myself, we seen that diamond in the rough. And all she needed was that little extra push. You know, Jennifer, believe in yourself. You can do it. And she did it. We promoted her to customer experience manager. She's doing an awesome job in the store.
Tony's there for you 100%. The guidance that he gives you, he'll make it fun, but at the same time, he's teaching you and coaching you as well. It makes it more interesting, and that's how you follow him and you lead it to other associates. The Home Depot has shaped me the way I am today and the way I give back. Giving back to me is one of my core values, is giving that satisfaction to helping somebody out. A lot of people just need a little bit of guidance to get where they are today. So what I like about this position is helping my peers in growing themselves.
Jennifer is amazing. She's my mentor. She's somebody I can go to when I need advice or I need to be coached on something. Jennifer has taught me to break out of my shy shell. She has taught me how to approach customers and acknowledge and greet them.
I learned a lot from Jennifer on how to interact with customers, how to approach them, and how to make the customers feel like, you know, they're good. They're here at Home Depot.
I look for Jen. She's so knowledgeable. I've known her for over 10 years now. We'll wave to each other, sometimes even from far. I'll go, hey, Jen! And she'll go, Anna! We'll hug. We always hug.
When she gets excited, she just has this laugh that you can hear her across the whole store. When that excitement is built around merchandise, nobody can stop us.
Jennifer is a very outgoing, fun person. And privately or away from work, she is very kind, generous. She is there to help us.
So the heart on my sleeve is giving back. I grew up poor. I never grew up with much. And I wanted to give back. When I first came to Ontario, I was in a shelter. I never had nothing. And Home Depot introduced me to a women's shelter that I'm passionate about. I have done a lot of work here. I have talked to many women here and children, got involved playing games with them. This shelter is a very happy place. It's a home away from home sometimes. I've been volunteering with Team Depot for probably 5-6 years. And before that, I volunteered personally almost all through my life. So yeah, I love giving back. Not only do we build relationships in a Home Depot, we build relationships outside Home Depot, and that's rewarding.
Jennifer has a big heart. And because of that big heart, she's open to anything that we need to do at the store, whether it's for the customer, whether it's for the associates. When she gets involved, it's just totally different, the atmosphere that she creates. And that's why associates gravitate to her.
She goes above and beyond. She's a mentor. Basically, you can talk to her about anything and she listens and she gives her advice. She's a special person who deserves to be recognized day in and day out.
So giving back to me, it's a blessing. There's people, no matter if they work, no matter if they're their friends, they need something, you help them out. That's one of my core values I'll take to heart. I'll always give back. No matter who it is, I'll give my last dollar to somebody to help them out.